What up, what up? It's Matt Avoid Absent-Minded. You know how we do? Come get it, come get it, yeah. I'm done with it, my tongue split it. For some, I'm too acidic, a sitting critic of a cynical sin in need of a clinic. Well, I admit it, it's not what it used to be. So here's my eulogy, and it's quite ugly. Monstrous tidity, honestly, it's quite embarrassing. Moms pouring kerosene over their own babies, lighting them up, then fleeing the scene. Man, I can't believe what I'm seeing, but what's worse than that is what I'm saying. That some is wrong and insane. Woe to those who call evil good, and good evil in these days. The road is paved and broad is the path leading to destruction, man. Do the math like two moms and no dad. Bombs in Baghdad, Qurans and white flags, bombs in backpacks, taking guard out of schools and family. But think how life would have been if we would have never done that. Yeah, time to cut the umbilical. Follow Angelical, refusing to march in line. Speak your mind, check your signs, seek and you shall find. Cause I'm government paychecks never change the world. Money, fame, and success never change the world. Rock and roll, drug, sex never change the world. Me and you gotta prove we can change the world. Just complaining all day can't change the world. Playing video games can't change the world. Hollywood, Broadway can't change the world. You and me best believe we can change the world. I was born into a world of 6 billion people with the ongoing spiritual war. Good and evil and the weapons of rifles, swords, lies, wars and needles versus mercy and Bibles. Life, love and truth preachers early on learning that cool was just a diversion to keep us enslaved in a circle of self and perversion. Now we ready for battle like a Zionist rebel, dropping giants with pebbles, spit in the eye of the devil. But stay away from the melee while I wait and pray they take away the hate they spray from ancient days. Break the chains and ankle braces, aim straight at the main gate. Can't make plans or shake hands with aching a Haman that's fake like vegan Jamaicans taking in plates full of bacon. Forsaken the way I was raised, created to praise by the ancient of days. I'm an agent of change, blatant and strange to pagans engaged in dating with Satan and waiting to be basted in flames. Lately you hooked up with this chick, now you complaining that she dumb as a stick. What'd you expect, since you hang around bars and clubs looking for girls while the real women changing the world? Government paychecks never change the world. Money, fame, and success never change the world. Rock and roll, drug, sex never change the world. Me and you gotta prove we can change the world. Just complaining all day can't change the world. Playing video games